Hello, I want a bank account. Is it possible today?
Good morning. Welcome to our bank. Yes, I can help.
That is great. I am Anna. I am a teacher.
Nice to meet you, Anna. Please sit down here.
Thank you. This bank is beautiful. It is very large.
We have a long history. People trust us here.
I need a card. I want to buy books. Books are expensive.
A card is very useful. You can pay online. It is fast.
Do I need much money? I have a small salary.
No, you can start small. $10 is enough.
That is perfect. I have $20. I feel lucky.
You are very smart, Anna. Money needs a safe place.
I agree with you. My home is not safe. My cat is curious.
Cats are funny, but banks are better. We have big vaults.
I want to see one. Are they made of gold?
Some have gold. Most have paper money. It is safe.
I feel safe here. You are very kind. Thank you, Mr. Green.
It is my pleasure. Let us start the work.
I am ready. What is next?
Give me your ID. I need your photo.
Here is my ID. My photo is very old. I look different.
It is a good photo. You look very happy.
I was on vacation. The sun was very bright.
Now fill this form. Write your full name. Use this pen.
The pen is heavy. It feels very expensive. I like it.
It is a bank pen. Please write your address. Do you live nearby?
Yes, I live on Oak Street. It is a quiet place.
I know that street. There are many trees. It is lovely.
My house is small, but it is cozy. I have many plants.
Now write your phone number. We need to call you.
Here is my number, 5501. Is it correct?
Yes, it looks perfect. Do you have an email?
Yes, I use it daily. I send many lessons. I love my work.
Education is very important. You help the world.
Thank you, Mr. Green. You are very polite.
Sign the paper here, right at the bottom. Use your best hand.
I am signing now. Anna White. There, it is done.
Excellent work. The form is finished. I will check it.
Is everything okay? Did I make a mistake?
No mistakes at all. You are very careful.
What cards do you have? I want a pretty one.
We have two options. Blue is for debit, gold is for credit.
What is the difference? I do not know. Please explain.
Debit is your money. Credit is the bank's money. It is a loan.
I prefer my own money. I will take the blue. It looks like the sky.
Good choice, Anna. The blue card is free. There are no fees.
That is very good. I do not like fees. I want to save.
This card works everywhere. You can travel with it.
Can I use it in Italy? I want to see Rome. I love pizza.
Yes, it is international. It works in Rome, it works in Paris.
That is wonderful news. I will save for pizza. I am so happy.
Do you want a name? We can print Anna. It looks professional.
Yes, please print it. It will feel special. It is my first card.
It will be ready soon. It takes 5 minutes. Our machine is fast.
This bank is amazing. Everything is very quick. I am impressed.
We value your time. Time is also money. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree. I have a lesson soon. My students are waiting.
We will be fast. I am starting the machine. Wait a moment.
I will wait. I am looking at posters. They are very bright.
Those are our savings.
Tell me about savings. I want a new car. My old car is slow.
We have a great plan. We give you interest. Your money grows.
How does it grow? Like a little flower? That sounds sweet.
Yes, exactly like that. You put money in, we add a little.
Is it a lot or is it small? I am very curious.
It is 3%. It is a good rate. You will see results.
I like this idea. I will put money every month, maybe $50.
That is a great start. In 1 year, it is much. You are wise.
I want to be independent. I want a safe future. Is it possible?
Yes, with a plan. Small steps are best. Do not be afraid.
I am not afraid. You help me a lot. I feel very confident.
You can also save for books. You mentioned books before.
Yes, for my classroom. I need many stories. Children love reading.
You are a kind teacher. Your students are lucky. They have you.
Thank you, Mr. Green. You are a kind clerk. You help everyone.
It is my mission. I like my office. I like my desk.
The desk is very clean. You are very organized. I like that.
Organization is key here. We cannot lose money. It is serious.
I see that now. This bank is serious, but it is also friendly.
That is our goal. We want to be friends. Friends help each other.
Do you have an app? I use my phone. I have it here.
Yes, we have a great app. It is very modern. Let us download it.
I am searching now. Green Bank app. Is this the one?
Yes, that is it. Press the Install button. It will be fast.
It is loading now. The icon is a leaf. It is very cute.
The leaf means growth. Your money grows here. It is our symbol.
I like that symbol. Now I need a login. What should I do?
Use your ID number. Create a strong password. Use some numbers.
I will use my cat's name and some big stars. Is it safe?
That sounds very strong. Do not share it. Keep it secret.
I will keep it secret. Only me and my cat. She cannot talk.
That is very funny. Now you can see balance. It is 0 now.
0 is a sad number. I will add money. I have $20.
Give them to me. I will put them in. Look at your screen.
Wow, it says 20. It happened so fast. This is magic.
It is digital banking. It is very convenient. You can pay bills.
Can I pay for water? My water bill is here. It is $10.
Yes, press Payments, select Water. It is done.
I did it. I paid my bill. I feel like an expert. Thank you.
You are an expert. You learn very fast. I am very proud.
This app is easy. I will use it daily. It is very helpful.
Now, let us set a PIN. This is for your card. It is a code.
I need 4 numbers. Should I use my birthday? Is that okay?
No, that is too easy. Choose something random. Think for a moment.
Okay, I have a code. I will not say it. I am being quiet.
Good. Enter it on this pad. Cover it with your hand.
1, 2. Wait, I forgot. Let me start again. I'm nervous.
Relax, Anna. There is no rush. Take your time now.
Okay, I'm ready. I am typing the numbers. It is finished.
Perfect. This code is your key. Never write it on card.
I will remember it. It is in my head. My head is a vault.
That is a great metaphor. You are a clever teacher. You have imagination.
Imagination helps in school. Children love new stories. I tell them many.
What if you lose card? You must call us. We will block it.
I will be very careful. My bag has a zip. I will use it.
Good. Security is a team effort. We watch your account, you watch card.
We are a team. I like that, Mr. Green. We work together well.
We do. Here is a security guide. It is a small book. Read it later.
I love books. I will read it tonight. I will be very safe.
You are already safe. We have cameras everywhere. Look up there.
I see the camera. It is very small. It is watching us now.
It keeps us honest. It protects our guests. It is for everyone.
The card is ready. Look, Anna, it has your name.
It is so blue. It is beautiful, Mr. Green. I love the color.
Touch the surface. It is very smooth. It is high quality.
It feels very special. Anna White. That is me. I am official.
Put it in your wallet. Keep it near your ID. It is your friend.
I am putting it in. It fits perfectly here. I am very proud.
You should be proud. You have a bank account. You are a customer.
Can I go shopping now? I want a new notebook, a red one.
Yes, you can use it. The card is active. Go to the shop.
I will buy a red pen too, and maybe some stickers. Kids love stickers.
You are a generous soul. You think of others. That is very kind.
It makes me happy. Happy teacher, happy students. That is my rule.
It is a good rule. Here is your folder. It has your papers.
Thank you, Mr. Green. I will keep them safe. I will be organized.
You are doing great. Do you have more questions? I am here.
No, I am finished. I have my card. I have my app. I am ready.
It was a great session. You are a wonderful guest. Come back soon.
I will come next month. I will bring more money. I will save.
We will be happy. Have a great day, Anna. Enjoy your red notebook.
I will. I am so excited. I feel like a queen. The sun is very bright. It is a lovely day. I feel energetic.
Yes, it is a perfect day. Enjoy the fresh air outside.
Thank you for your time. You are the best clerk. I will tell friends.
That is very kind. We love new customers. Thank you for that.
I am walking to school. It is a 10-minute walk. I will be on time.
Have a great lesson. Tell the children about bank. It is good knowledge.
I will. I will say, save money. They will listen to me.
They will listen to you. You are a great leader. Goodbye, Anna.
Goodbye, Mr. Green. See you next month. Have a nice shift.